Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to cook peanut soup, or you can also call it groundnut soup. So stay tuned. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. So this is seasoning cubes, this is curry, white pepper, you have salt, you have paprika, and this is green chili, onion, this is vegetable oil. You can use olive oil if you want, and I also have the garlic, ginger, and this is the peanut, this is groundnut. All right, that's the main ingredients. And this is beef already cooked, and I'm going to be using fresh tomatoes also for cooking. So guys, that's all the ingredients that I'm going to be using. So you want to stay right up to the end of this video to see how I'm going to be cooking everything. So before we start cooking, I have to start with toasting the peanut. You can do that in your oven, or you can do that with just your pan on your stove. So I'm going to be using my pan on the stove to toast it a little bit to become brown before I blend. So I'm going to be blending this fresh tomatoes also, and my garlic and ginger. Stay tuned, let's dive into the video. So guys, here is my pan, and I'm going to be toasting this peanut inside just like so for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, note that you have to do this on low medium heat so that it's not going to burn. So I will just go ahead to blend the tomatoes and the green chili all together in my blender. So after blending, we are going to start up the cooking process. So in my pan, I'm just going to add oil, and I'm going to be adding onion next in this pan to toast or stir fry. Sorry, we are going to stir fry this onion for a little bit, like 1 minute only. Immediately after the onions is fragrant, we are going to be adding our fresh tomato mix and pepper mix into the oil and fry for about 10 minutes. So guys, back to this peanut. You see how I've toasted it for about 3 to 4 minutes and it's turned brown. So this is the perfect time for you to go ahead and blend it in your blender. So here I'm done blending the peanut, and I also blended the garlic and ginger off camera. So this is the garlic and ginger here in this small pan, and this is the peanut paste in the blender. You also have to make sure that the paste is very smooth. All right, so, and do not add too much water inside, so that it's not going to be watery. So guys, at the beginning of the video I forgot to mention crayfish. So this is crayfish. All right, it's also very nice in peanut soup. So if you have crayfish, you can add it, but if you do not have it, no problem. Okay, we are going to be checking our tomato mix and pepper mix, so it is ready. How do you know it is ready? You see oil floating at the top of the tomato paste. All right, so that's when you know it is ready. So now we are going to be adding our peanut butter paste inside this mixture. So at this point, you have to make sure that the consistency is just what you need. So I'm going to be adding my beef stock into it. If you have water, you add it. If you have chicken stock, you can add it at this point. So you don't want it to be too thick and too light. All right. Also, everything can go in at this point: your beef, your crayfish, garlic, ginger, any other thing you want to add inside. You can use any protein of your choice: chicken, beef, goat meat, anything you want to use, you can use it. And you have to make sure you're cooking on a low medium heat, because groundnut or peanut has a tendency to get burned very fast. And you also have to make sure you keep stirring from time to time. So after cooking for about 20 minutes, here you go. You see our food is ready. You see the oil floating at the top. It means the soup is ready. So at this point, you can go in with your vegetables if you have. but for me, I don't have vegetables and my soup is just okay. This is just what I wanted. So guys, if you've watched right up to this point, please do well to subscribe to my channel for more recipe and lifestyle video. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. So at this point, just go ahead and turn off your gas cooker. Your food is ready. You can serve this with gari. You can eat with fufu. I'm eating this with white rice. So my rice was ready and I'm just going to be serving this meal with you guys. Of course, we are eating together. I hope you learned something new on this channel. Please guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I post a video, YouTube is going to notify you on that video. And I'm going to be seeing you guys on my next video by the grace of God. Thank you guys. Stay safe. I love you all and I will see you in my next video. Bye.